Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to add plugins in Aternos server. So let's get started. Go to Aternos official website, log into your Aternos server and navigate to your server dashboard. Click on software section on the left side. You can select any mod supported software. As I am selecting this. Now select your game version. Click Install. After installation complete, click on Plugin section. Choose and install your desired plugins. Then select your game version. Now start or restart the server. Go back to the Minecraft game and join the server. In this video, I installed Vein Miner plugins. It allows players to instantly mine groups of adjacent blocks. Let's check it out. You can see the plugins working properly. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.